Hey guys, in this video, Frankenstein wants me to build him some walls for his castle. So we're going to start out with these 4x8 sheets of insulation foam. We're going to draw a pattern on them like this, and we're going to carve out some castle walls. Now that I have the pattern drawn out, I'm going to take a hot wire and I'm going to cut out these little intricate window panels first, and then later on I'm going to be using my router to actually route out the stones. And there we have one window pane carved out using the hot wire. I'm going to cut some more styrofoam blocks in place right here. They're going to be out more protruding. Carve these out to make these set back, but the little frame around the window, the blocks will be set out a little higher, so I'll actually glue some blocks on the outside of that. But there's the first window done. 2 more to go. And here's just a quick little preview before I put the panels in place and start carving them. But if you look through the windows, you see the moon, cemetery over there. Coming together. And here's what the carved out stone looked like. After using the router to carve them out. Again, here's one of just the panels drawn in just to give me a rough idea to start. I usually just freehand the stones. I'm going to come in and round off these edges, rough them up, and I'm going to make it look more stone-like before I paint them. But overall, that's what the walls are going to look like. The drawn in section, carved, soon to be sanded. Alright, first 3 panels are carved. I have to peel the protective sheeting off the front of that one where you still see some marker marks. And it'll look more like this. Gonna sand down the rough edges, make the stones more round and more realistic. But first 3 panels done. Sand them down, get the first coat of paint on. Alright, so now I have taken a sanding block and rounded off the edges of the stones to give them a little bit more character and to make them look more realistic. If you just leave just the router marks, like here, this is before I've sanded it, it's too uniform and stiff, but you can compare the two and see that this is going to look more like a natural stone wall. Before and after the sanding with the sand block. We've acquired a chandelier for Frankenstein and a candelabra. Got to figure out where we're going to place those. But today we're going to start painting the castle walls. Going to start out with some grout work. We're going to paint in all the lines between the rock, and then we'll get the surface of the rock painted. Now at this point, with the grout lines painted in, you have to trust the process, because right now it looks like I've ruined it. But when I start painting in the stones and the window frame, make it look more realistic, this will actually give it the depth and pop it needs. Alright, now to start painting the surfaces of each of the blocks. I'm starting out with a gray dry lock as the first coat, and I'll add other colors to help texture and weather them. But starting on the wall paint. And here's one of the wall panels coming together finally. Got the first coat on the individual blocks to make them actually look like individual stones. And to give you an example, here's the next one to be painted. We are getting there. Frankenstein's castle walls. Wall panels coming together. Still gotta paint the window panels. Won't be long. Frankenstein will have his castle. And here we have Frankenstein's castle. Gonna add another panel or two here on the right hand side. But overall, well, there it is. Castle walls from Styrofoam. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.